Hello, Riverbank teachers. This is Mr. Gianelli with your technology video of the week for August 18th, 2014. So today I'm going to be talking about Google Drive, and if you already have created a Google account and used it pretty regularly, you might want to skip this video. This video is more for teachers who haven't really had a chance to mess around with their Google account yet. So if you haven't really had a chance, go ahead and start off at gmail.com, and you might see a screen like this. Maybe you don't have an account. You can, maybe you haven't already logged in, so it wouldn't show your account on here. You all do have an account though, so you do not need to click create an account. If you type in your email, it's going to be similar to your school email. It's your full name instead of just the first letter of your first name and your last name. So full first and last name at riverbank.k12.ca.us. Your password, if you've forgotten it or you don't know it, just email me and I will reset it for you. But I will go ahead and enter mine. And you'll see something like this. And what you want to do here is, you're probably not going to use your email on this account too often for, maybe for emailing students. But what you are going to be using are these apps right here, these different tools within the Google account. Google Plus is something I'm going to get into later, as is Groups. But for now, I'm just going to focus on Drive. And at the very least, Drive is a great way for you to be able to send files from one computer to another. So you can send them from home. You can share them with other teachers. And like if you upload something like a PowerPoint, it doesn't even need to open PowerPoint. It can actually play it right from here. Same thing with pictures. It'll just give you a preview, but you can download them if you want. And with any file, if you want to share it with someone else, you just click on this little check right here. And then up at the top, you click share. And then you just type in the email of the person that you want to send it to. And for me, I've already created groups, so I can actually send it to entire classes just by clicking, on that. My entire class would now have access to that file. You can also change whether the person who has access to it can, let me just go back to that. You can change whether that person can edit it, can just view it, can comment on it, or however you want them to have access to it. So another thing that's really cool is you can take your files, you can move them into subfolders. So I had students share an assignment with me. And once they did that, I just stuck it into my fourth period folder. And you do that by just clicking on the files that you want to move. And you can select all of them by just clicking up at the top here. Let me try that again. There we go. You can just click all of them right there. And then you just click on this button here to move to, and then it'll ask you where you want to move it, and you just select the file or the folder. Other thing that's really cool about Google Drive is the documents and being able to create. Let me just show you how to upload one more time, because I don't think I went through that. You just click this button right here, and you choose either files or folders, and that will you can just pick whatever file you want, and it gives you, I think, 30 gigabytes of data storage. So you're not going to run out of space on here anytime soon. Let me go to the create function, and one of the options is to create a document. And right up here you have the title. So whatever you want to call the document, I'll just call this document 1. And what's great about this is that it's going to save it in real time. It already says right here, all changes saved in Drive. So let me just try typing something. Hello, everyone. And you'll see right there it says all changes saved in Drive. So it's already changed them. So if I close this, document 1, and then I go right here, there it is. I didn't have to push save or anything. It's keeping the track for me. Let me just go ahead and really quickly make a change though. Let me say how was your weekend? And then once again it says all changes saved, so I know I'm good to close it. Now let me go back in here, and let's say that for whatever reason I want to go back in my history and make a change that I had done earlier. So maybe some student came in and erased it or whatever it is, and they accidentally delete everything. What you can do is you go back in here and you go to File, and then you can show here see revision history, and it will show you, if you click on here, show more detailed revisions, it'll show you all the changes. So it'll show that someone deleted those, the strikes right there, But you can go back in time and say, hey, actually, I want to keep it like this. So I'm gonna just close out of this. Oops, let me go back to that. Go into C revision history, and I can just click restore this version, and now I'm back to where I was before. So it's a really great thing for students who often have a difficult time kind of managing documents. You can also create PowerPoint presentations, very similar to what you'd see in Microsoft PowerPoint, spreadsheets, and then forms. And I'm going to get into forms later, but this is a way for you to create quizzes and tests, and I'll show you how to do that and also how to grade them in one of the future videos. So hopefully you can at least just get a chance to get your feet wet, play around with maybe some of these apps. But I do encourage everyone to try logging into their account and making sure they know their password, and just getting comfortable with that, because we're going to be doing more and more of that in the coming year. So thanks for watching.